Hello people, welcome back to my channel Pass with VTU. So if you are visiting our channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Alright, let's get straight into the video. In this video we will be covering DBMS first module. So please watch the video till end. The first main topic is what is a database and the three schema architecture. Database is a collection of related data stored and accessed electronically. Database is a place where you can store all the related data together and you can access it electronically. We can give an example of school database which has student names, marks, courses which are organized in a way where you can retrieve and update it easily. The three schema architecture is one more main topic. So there is three levels: internal schema, the lowest level, conceptual schema, the middle level, and the external schema is the top level. Internal schema is a level at which data is physically stored, like data which is stored in files, memories, indexes. Conceptual schema is the middle level which shows the structure of the database, like tables, fields, and relationship, the way you enter the database. External schema is the top level and it is customized user views. This is the level where student or the user or the admin can see. So we'll move on to the next topic. Before we'll check the schema architecture diagram. This is a three-level based architecture starting from the internal, conceptual, and the external. The mapping and translation occurs between each of the levels. The next important topic is advantages of using DBMS over file system. The first point is less redundancy. This means that in DBMS, data is stored in such a way that no data is occurred multiple times like Excel sheets. Say unique data is present in DBMS. More security. Only authorized people can view or change the data. Like marks can be visible only to teachers but not students. This provides more security and robustness. Data sharing. Multiple users can access the database at same time. It allows multiple user access. Backup and recovery. Database management helps us to restore our data. Even if the system is crashed, the data can be backed up. The next point is data integrity. Database management checks the constraint, like every student must have a unique roll number or any unique data. So we'll move on to the next topic. Data models. Categories of data models. So data model is like a blueprint of how data is stored, related, and accessed. There are three types: high level or conceptual. High level is a level where humans can easily understand. So the high level or conceptual uses entities, attributes, and relationships. For example, ER diagrams. Next comes the representational or the implementation model. This is close to how data is actually stored in a software. So relational models or tables will show how the data is actually stored, or the network. Next comes the low level or physical. This describes how data is stored on a disk, for example, file paths or storage formats. Next, we'll move on to the examples. Simple analogy, real life thinking. Think of a building, like the high level will be the blueprint with the rooms and labels, which will be easy to read. Representation will be the real plan for the engineers, where only the engineers can understand what is happening. Low level is the material list, plumbing, wiring details that is basic and required for the construction of the building. So thank you, student. These are the three most important topics in the first module. Let's see you in the next video.